Welcome to our video lesson on finding the area of a triangle. You may have done this in previous years, but I want to go over it just to make sure you know how to do it. This is our formula for the area of the triangle. Let's break down what each part means. This A here stands for area. This B stands for the base. Please write this down on your note from today. So this A stands for the area, the B stands for the base, and the H stands for the height. Okay, look at this triangle here. This triangle, if we're trying to find the area, remember it's the space inside. So how much space is inside this triangle? We are using the base, which is this distance here from one side all the way to the other side, the base. And the height, which is this distance here, marked by the H, the height. The 1/2 means you're multiplying it by a half. The reason for that is because a triangle is just like half of a rectangle, where the length times the width gives its area. So this triangle is just half of that rectangle, so you have the half in here. It's okay if you don't understand that. You just need to know that this is the formula for the area of a triangle. Okay, well, how do you use that area? Let's use this formula. Let's use this formula to find the area of this triangle down here. Again, please write this all down on your sheet. A is equal to 1/2 times the base. Okay, B stands for the base, which is the distance across the bottom. In this situation, my base is 30 meters. So I'm going to put a dot here, times 30, times the height, which in this situation is 10. Okay. If you want to, alright, next, to make it easier, keep the half there, and then multiply the 30 times the 10. 30 times 10 is going to give us 300. And multiplying something by a half is the same as dividing it by 2. I know that because I'd write this 300 as a fraction over a denominator of 1. Then I multiply 1 times 300 gives me 300. 2 times 1 gives me 2. So for my last step, I need to divide 300 by 2. 2 goes into 3 once. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract 1. Bring down the 0. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, get 0. Bring down that 0. 2 can go into 0 times. So my answer is 150. Now we're using area, so our units are always going to be whatever our units are in the question, squared. So our answer for the area of this triangle is meters squared. If you have any questions about how to do this, watch this video again or raise your hand and ask me. I'd be happy to help. When you're done and you feel you understand it, you should be working on these problems on your worksheet. That's all for now.